What you see right now is basically exactly what you will get when you sign up for any one of our website builders. This is 100% DIY product that comes with free website hosting. So there's no need for you to get the website design tool and to purchase website hosting. Everything is bundled together, and you are going to get exactly what you're seeing on the screen right now. So Website Builder typically starts off by asking us a question, and that is, what type of website do you want to create? And what it's referring to here is basically the industry that you are in. So we've pre-populated Website Builder with most of the common industries today, but you're also welcome to specify your own industry if you have something that's very unique. You are also welcome to do that. You can bypass all of this. You'll see there's an option at the bottom right there to say skip this, and the Website Builder will just use very generic content which you can adjust and amend as you go along. So let's get going. We're going to do a cleaning service. And so I'm just going to select that from the drop-down option. So cleaning service. The next question that it's going to ask is for the name of our business. So this was just a sample website, so I'm just going to say your business name. And then what we've done, we've already built in 9 color palettes for you to choose from. The colors that work very well together, that's very modern and up to date. And your visitors, website visitors, are not going to have trouble reading the information off the screen if you use these color palettes. So I'm just going to choose something that's very fresh and that kind of resonates with the cleaning industry. And so I'm going to go for this. I'm going to continue. So all the while using Website Builder, and we always say this, there's no need for you to download any plugins or extensions or upload anything to a server. There's no need for you to write any code or anything. This just simply works out of the box. So a couple of clicks and we are already off to creating our homepage for our simple 3-page website. So I'm going to choose one of the layouts that's available. And let me go with something that's very visual. So I'm going to choose this layout for us today. And Website Builder will just also allow me to preview what this will look like on a mobile device. That is obviously super important. Most of your website visitors as a small business would typically come from mobile devices. So I can flip between the previews. That's what it will look like on regular desktop or laptop. And this is what it will look like on a mobile device. You'll see the menu and everything resizes automatically. So there's no need for us to create a separate design element for our mobile view. We can just jump straight into creating our site. So I'm fairly happy that this layout is going to work. You'll also see nice images preloaded already. That works very well with the color scheme that we've chosen. And so we are just going to go say, create your website. And that is as much effort as it takes to actually get your homepage up and running. We're just about done. You'll also see I didn't type out any of the text that you see on screen right now. We've basically, again, based on the industry that you've chosen, we've pre-populated this with some information for you already. So you can just go ahead and start dragging and dropping the different content that you want. You can make some changes. Anytime that you want to change anything on a Website Builder, it's just a simple double click. And you can just add or remove anything that you want, and you have some options to control the fonts as well. So anyway, in Website Builder, on any page that you find yourself, if you do want to change anything, a simple double click and you can just add text as you wish. Right. And again, you have control over formatting that text, so we can get it to go bold, we can increase it, we can change the color, we can make it bigger or smaller. So I'm going to work with what I've got at the moment. Remember, we're just creating a simple 3-page website, and our homepage is just about ready. So I'm fairly happy that this will work as a homepage. I may just want to add one more design element. And you'll notice the big plus sign at the bottom right of your screen. So once I've clicked add content, I can now basically drag and drop content anywhere on my website based on the content elements that we've pre-built for you. So you can choose from any one of these elements. Let's say we just want to add some more text, or if you want to add a new image to the site, you want to drag and drop a gallery in any one of these very nice formats. And again, remember, you can just simply place these on your website, and out of the box, it's going to work on a mobile device as well. You may want to add a contact form to your homepage as well, and it's a simple click, and the form just fits in there quite nicely. That's if you want it, but for today, we are going to add our forms, our contact us page. And so I'm fairly happy that this will work as a homepage for me, and the only thing that's left to do now is add our about us page and add our contact us page. So I'm going to drop down in the center menu, click the plus sign again. The option for new page is already selected, and I'm just going to say contact us, and I'm going to go done, and immediately Website Builder will take me to the page that I'm trying to create. So my contact us page will start with a blank canvas. I just need to add some nice text and images, and then I'll add a contact form, and I will add a map as well. So let me show you how to do that. Okay, so I'm going to keep things consistent. I'm just going to continue to use the images that Website Builder has given us. And at any time that you do want to change the images, again, a simple double click just takes you directly to the image menu, and you can see on the right hand side here, you can add a new image, choose from images that you've recently uploaded, or you can edit the existing image as well. And you can also get that image to link to a different page, and then of course you can change the alignment as well, and the SEO options a little more advanced for maybe for next session. Today we're just looking to get this website up and running in as little time as possible. So I think this is a nice heading for the contact us page. We're just going to add some contact sections now where people can actually view our telephone number and also our form. So let's choose contact. So I'm going to add this element that's got the form to the left, contact information to the right. And also, if you do want to change any of the elements on your page, a quick and easy delete. So you just click on the little trash can on the right, and it removes that option. So if I want my page to be very simple, I just want my information to be displayed as a contact us page, that would also work quite well. I'm just going to add a map so that people know exactly where I'm based. So I'm going to say add content. And I already have my contact details and form on that page. So what I want is just a section that just has the map that's going to cover the bottom of my website. You'll see how super easy that is. And again, if you need to change the address, click on the element and you can update the address. And Website Builder will put the little pin for your location exactly where it needs to be. So I think I'm fairly happy with that. That could do as a simple contact us page for people to get hold of me. All right, and then the last thing that I want to do is I just want to add an about us page as well. So again, I select new page, and I'm going to say about us. You add it as a top level page, and basically what that means is that it's not going to be a sub item for another page. I just want it to go directly into the menu, and you'll see that the menu automatically updates as well, so there's no need for me to write code to place that item into the menu. So we can go and add some content right here. Again, I'll just choose something very simple. And that's for the header of my website. And then I'm going to just add some text so that I can give a description of what my company is actually about. So I quite like this over here. Again, we've added some text in there for you. This element also comes with a nice review or testimonial portion. So if you do have customer reviews, you can easily show them off on your website. Okay, and then I think on About Us, I'm just also going to show off a simple gallery of some of the services that I offer. So I'm just going to use gallery and slideshow. And just to keep with the layout of my site, that's exactly what I'm going to do. So I've now added a home page, I've added the contact us page, and I've also added the About Us page to our site. So that is about it. I think I'm fairly happy with that. Before I publish my website, I just want to have a look at what it's going to look and feel like on a mobile device. So if I switch the view to mobile, then those are the pages that I've added: home page, contact us, and About Us. I see everything is neatly laid out, and that is as simple as the OneGrid DIY website builder is. And we're about 10 minutes in and we are done. So I'm publishing my website. You'll see again, only it takes a few seconds for the website to be published. There's no need for you to upload any files again, or write any code to get the website to go live. It basically is done. So I'm going to click through to my site, and there you have it. Go to the contact us page that I've created. You'll see everything very neat and very professional. Again, I've just used the text logo. If you do have your own logo for your company, if that's designed already, you're welcome to import that into Website Builder. Again, it's just a simple click and your logo will get uploaded. And that is a sample website for a cleaning service. Again, it took us just about 10 minutes to get that up and running. And that's all it takes, a 3-page website live, ready for you to do business online. This is Craig, and thank you so much for joining.